What makes a best-selling product? One that makes hundreds of sales per day? Well, I bought 4 weird products on Amazon that have thousands of orders per month to see what the hype is and how you can turn products into bestsellers too. I think these products are going to surprise you because honestly, they're pretty basic, but they're selling 3,000 a month, 5,000 a month, 10,000 a month, and even 20,000 units of this product sold in a month. Like, seriously? How would your business change if you had 20,000 orders in a month? How would your life change? Because that's why you started a business in the first place, right? To create a better life for yourself and your family, to have more financial stability and create more freedom in your life to pursue your hobbies and spend more time with your family. Well, guess what? All you need is a best-selling product to do that. Okay, so want to know what product sold 20,000 units on Amazon last month, which brought in $257,000 in sales? It's this right here, a pet hair remover that you put in your washer and dryer to remove pet hair while you do laundry. Yeah, told you, it's pretty basic, and it only costs $12.88, but it does some smart marketing strategies to make it a bestseller. First off, it taps into a core issue that a lot of people have that have pets. Nobody wants to be walking around with a bunch of pet hair on their clothes. Pet owners are also a large audience of people that are already aware of the problem, so it makes it easy to explain the problem and show it visually through their product images. It seems easy for the customer to use, which is better than the alternative of lint rolling all of your clothes, which is honestly just a bit tiring. So the potential customer may not actively be looking for this solution. It may have even been recommended to them by the Amazon algorithm or a paid ad. But because it's a low-cost product of only $12, it feels low risk to buy it and try it out. Also, this product has lots of positive reviews showcasing that the product works. If you watched any of my videos before, then you know that I love me some social proof. So one thing that I would definitely recommend doing is adding in a reviews app.
Social proof is great to have on your website.
I also love to use user-generated content.
Next, you've got to showcase some social proof.
And customer reviews are the best way to showcase that because it shows that your product actually works and establishes credibility that if I buy your product online, I'm actually going to receive it in the mail and it's going to work for me. Another best-selling product that uses these same marketing strategies and sold 10,000 products last month is this can opener. And honestly, as a 35-year-old woman, this can opener feels a bit overkill to me. Like, it's huge, right? Is it as big as my head? Oh my gosh. But honestly, that's fine because I'm not their ideal customer and they know that. They actually make it really clear in their product images who this is for. Seniors, kids, people with arthritis or an injury. By showing the image of who their product is for, they're already pre-qualifying people and highlighting an existing problem that they have. They also show how easy their product is to use in imagery and a short video because it's more powerful for customers to visually see how your product is going to help them. Take, for example, QVC and all those late night infomercials.
Get your cake batters out in one swoop, no utensils. But we also turned it into the most fabulous colander.
Wow.
So everything is happening in this one bowl. You don't need any other bowls.
Think of how you can showcase the solution that your product provides in 30 seconds or less, either in an image or a video. Then use that on your product page on your site, social media posts, and your paid ads as well. This product is also super easy to use because you don't even have to hold it and it automatically opens the can for you. But it's not as easy to use as our next best-selling product that sold 3,000 units last month. A hair catcher for your shower. This again is a low-cost product at only $12.95 and taps into another core problem that so many people have. They actually even have images on the packaging itself to show how easy it is to use. Way easier than having to constantly unclog your drain because your hair falls out all the time after having a baby and all your hormones are still going crazy on you. But let's move on because did you see the reviews? 122,000 reviews and still 4.5 stars. I mean, the social proof speaks for itself. Plus being low cost makes it feel less scary to purchase and see if it'll actually work for you. Seriously, having reviews on your site is so powerful and is the #1 app functionality that I recommend for any store selling products online. My favorite Shopify app for this is Looks because the process is automated, just like this shower drain. So you set it up once and it keeps working for you on autopilot, sending emails to customers after they purchase their product and makes it super easy and fast for them to leave a review. Then you can showcase that review throughout your site and all your marketing efforts. You can even have it show up on your Google product listing so you can maximize your reach. So if you've noticed, all 3 of these products solved a problem and quickly spoke to a potential customer's need to get it fixed. I know what you're gonna say, but Elle, my store's products don't solve a problem. I get it, but maybe it does when you tap into the desire of the customer. Think about it. What does your customer actually want? If you sell stationery, maybe they want to get more organized or connect with their family more through writing letters. If you sell makeup, maybe the customer is wanting to improve their appearance or feel more confident or just have fun playing around with different eyeshadow looks. Sell coffee? Well, the customer may want to try a new flavor profile or make their chaotic morning a little bit more enjoyable. They still all connect with what the customer wants and makes it an easy yes to buy your product. Like this beginner crochet kit that sold 5,000 products last month on Amazon. The customer's desire here could be to learn a new hobby or create a handmade gift for a baby shower present. The problem though is that they don't know how and it feels intimidating. So this product has all the tools and supplies that you need, plus instructions and step-by-step video tutorials. And it comes to you all in one package versus you having to go to all these different craft stores to buy the supplies and search through a bunch of YouTube videos to find the right beginner video tutorial for you to follow. They made it super easy and their product is an easy solution to a customer's desire. Plus, this penguin is just one of their best-selling designs. They also have 7 other designs for over 20,000 individual products sold per month. It's super smart to offer different designs because you've already found a customer that is interested in your product. So if they buy it once and have a great experience, then they're going to be so much more likely to buy it again. You could even have it as an upsell on your site to buy a second product for 25% off. Especially if you're running paid ads to your site, this is a great way to get them to buy just a little bit more, plus help cover your ad cost. One other big thing about these products that I showcased today is that they're all using the power of press. The crochet kit and the pet hair remover were both on Shark Tank and both highlight that in their product titles. The hair drain has an as featured in section as a product image with logos of different big brands that feature their products. This instantly establishes credibility and is so powerful just like the product reviews. Plus, of course, getting featured in the popular press site also drives traffic to your product page. So what do you do if your product doesn't have any big press yet? Well, you're in luck because I've got a video coming out soon showing you exactly how to get press for a brand new store. I promise you do not want to miss that video, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also check out this video next to see my top 4 trends that I see in e-commerce for 2024, so you can start quickly improving your store for more sales.